Back to reading 7th grade math in 22. The first problem says that 1 centimeter on a large scale map represents an actual distance of 5 kilometers. So this is scaling. It says the distance between two cities on the map is 23 centimeters. What is the actual distance between the two cities? So we know 1 centimeter equals 5 kilometers. So it means 1 times 5 basically. And this is 23 centimeters. So we do 23 times 5. 23 times 5 would be 115 kilometers. The answer would be D. Number 2 says the drawing below represents a swimming pool. What is the actual area of the swimming pool in real life? So to do this for scale factor, what you need to do is you need to convert these two to meters and then you multiply them. So 10, so the scale is 1 centimeter to 2.5 meters. 10 centimeters we have first. We multiply that by 2.5 and we get 25 meters. 25 meters. And then we have 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters times 2.5 would be 50. So it would be 25 times 50, and that would give us a total of 1250 and then meters squared, because meters times meters is squared. So that should be 1250 meters squared. So B. Number 3 says Logan made a scale drawing of the dog. In Logan's drawing, the dog is 10 inches tall. The scale factor is 5 to 12. How tall is this dog? So this means 5 inches is 12 inches on the drawing. So 5 to 12. We know his image on his dog in the drawing is 10. So this means we would multiply by 2. 5 times 2 is 10. So we do the same for this one. 12 times 2. That would be 10 to 24. So this means on the actual, or in real life, Logan's dog would be 24 inches. And we know that 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. So we know Logan's dog in real life is 2 feet tall. Number 4 says the height of a picture frame is 2 feet and its length is 5 feet. If the dimensions of the picture frame doubled, what is the ratio of the new and the old picture frames by area? So we can start with the problem. We know it's 2 times 5. And it says that the dimensions of the picture frame are doubled. So this would be 4, since 2 times 2 is 4, and 5 times 2 is 10. So now we solve for the area. 4 times 10 is 40 feet squared. 2 times 5 is 10 feet squared. And that is a difference of 1 to 4 when simplified. So the answer would be, it says what's the ratio of the new to the old. So this means it would be 40 to 10, which is 4 to 1. So the answer would be B. Number 5 says 1 inch on Texas state map represents an actual distance of 25 miles. The distance between Dallas and Corpus Christi on the map is 14 inches. What's the actual distance? None of these would actually be correct since it's asking for the actual distance. The actual distance would be in miles squared. So we'll just solve that for that right now. 1 inch is 25 miles. 14 inches. This means you'll multiply by 25. 14 times 25 would give us 350. So the real answer would be 350 miles. Sorry, not miles squared. Number 6 says the drawing below represents an orchid. What is the area of the orchid in real life? We know 1 centimeter is equal to 3 meters. So 12 centimeters, multiply that by 3, that'll give us 36 meters. And 18 centimeters, multiply that by 3, that'll give us 54 meters. And then, wait. Okay, the area of the orchid in real life. I don't think any of these would be correct since 36 times 54 is not any of these answers. So the answer would just be 1,944 meters squared. Yeah, okay. We'll just solve for x. Yeah, skip that problem. That one's wrong for sure. For x, 7x minus 9 is equal to 37. As always, we need to isolate for x. So we start by adding 9 on both sides to get 7x. That was 7x is equal to 46. We will divide by 7 on both sides because just to get x by itself. And that'll give us x is equal to 46 over 7. And we don't need to simplify this. This is already simplified. And we'll do one more. 9x plus 15 equals 60. We do minus 15 on both sides to get 9x by itself. That'll give us 9x is equal to 45. Divide by 9 on both sides to get x by itself. And that'll give us x is equal to 5. And the rest can be homework.